Officer Galloway has been most helpful.
Listen, the Army's got the Allspark fragment on a base in the Indian Ocean, but it won't do Megatron any good. He's 6 miles underwater in the Laurentian Abyss. The site's guarded by a carrier group and airborne surveillance.
The Allspark fragment has been taken by Ravage and is now on its way to Megatron. Only the humans and the childish machines stand between us and triumph. The Allspark fragment held by the Americans has been stolen. Worse still, NSA Chief Galloway has revealed Megatron's location to our enemies.
He's 6 miles underwater in the Laurentian Abyss. The site's guarded by a carrier group and airborne surveillance. He's unreachable.
If the fragment reaches Megatron's remains, he will be reborn. Our fate grows uncertain. Gunships pose no real threat. All will fall in the face of Megatron's rising. Destroy them.
Did you think you'd seen the last of Megatron, insects?